Welcome to channel American SpeakEasy.
25 Travel Idioms and Expressions. Part 1. Like, subscribe. Hit the road. Meaning, embarking on a journey or starting an adventure. Use in a sentence. After months of planning, it's finally time to hit the road and explore the unknown. A red-eye flight. Meaning, refers to a late-night or overnight flight. Use in a sentence. She took the red-eye from New York. To fly under the radar. Meaning, they're operating discreetly, without attracting much attention. Use in a sentence. With so many different amendments to the bill being made, some appropriations flew under the radar. To be in the driver's seat. Meaning, to be in control of a situation. Use in a sentence. Joe likes to act like he's in the driver's seat, but he's only a junior attorney. Backseat driver. Meaning, refers someone who gives unwanted and unneeded advice, and sometimes also criticism. Use in a sentence. Daisy is such a backseat driver. She needs to stop interfering. No one asked for her advice. Cool one's jet. Meaning, refers to calm down or become less agitated. It is often used to tell someone to relax or not get too excited or worked up in a situation. Use in a sentence. I was really angry, so I had to just take a second and cool my jets before I did anything rash. Sunday driver. Meaning, a slow and leisurely driver who appears to be sightseeing and enjoying the view, holding up traffic in the process. Use in a sentence. It took me nearly an extra hour to get home because I got stuck behind some Sunday driver. To go the extra mile. Meaning to go beyond what is necessary or expected to please someone, achieve something, or get something done correctly. Use in a sentence. Susie always goes the extra mile to make my birthday special. Train wreck. Meaning, a major or total failure, disaster, or catastrophe. A person whose life is a complete mess or is in total disarray. Use in a sentence. I don't know about my relationship with Kevin. He's a bit of a train wreck. Tire kicker. Meaning, one who examines or inspects a second-hand car, often without intending to buy anything. Use in a sentence. This guy isn't a serious buyer, he's just a tire kicker. Globetrotter. Meaning, someone who travels frequently to various places around the world. Use in a sentence. His Instagram is filled with photos from his adventures as a globetrotter. Travel light. Meaning, carrying only essential items. Use in a sentence. She mastered the art of traveling light, just a backpack for weeks of adventure. Wanderlust. Meaning, that irresistible urge to explore new destinations. A strong desire to travel. Use in a sentence. Her wanderlust led her to backpack across Europe, chasing sunsets in stories. Burn bridges. Meaning, to permanently damage relationships with people or places, often during travels or moves. Use in a sentence. He was careful not to burn any bridges when he left the job to travel the world. Explore all avenues. Meaning to investigate or try every possible means to find a solution or achieve something, often while traveling. Use in a sentence. We explored all avenues trying to find the best route for our road trip. Live out of a suitcase. Meaning to travel so much that you do not unpack because you are not staying in one place for long. Use in a sentence. I've been living out of a suitcase for the past month because of all the business trips. Baggage claim. Meaning, the area where passengers collect their checked luggage at an airport. Use in a sentence. Our suitcases were the last ones on the baggage claim carousel. Bucket list. Meaning, a list of things you want to do or places you want to visit before you die. Use in a sentence. Skydiving is on my bucket list. Travel bug. Meaning, an insatiable desire to travel. Use in a sentence. Once you catch the travel bug, it's hard to stay in one place. Off the beaten path. Meaning, exploring lesser-known or unconventional places. Use in a sentence. We hiked off the beaten path and discovered a hidden waterfall. To be running on fumes. Meaning, to continue to do something even though one is extremely tired or lacking energy, enthusiasm. Use in a sentence. My wallet is running on fumes until payday. To cover one's tracks. Meaning, to hide one's trail or footprints so as not to be followed. Use in a sentence. When primitive camping, it's a bad idea to cover one's tracks, as signs of presence can be crucial for survival. To lose track of something. Meaning to forget about someone, something. To misplace something. To lose contact with a person or friend. Use in a sentence. I've lost track of how many times we've traveled to Europe. To be on track. Meaning, to do something as scheduled or planned. Use in a sentence. If we can get to New Mexico by tonight, we will be right on track to get to Las Vegas by Wednesday. To have a one-track mind. Meaning, to be fixated about one particular topic. Use in a sentence. Jim has a one-track mind. All he ever talks about is sports.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, turn on bell notifications,